Good morning, guys. Today is Monday and it's officially our last day, full day here at Aruba. And we are starting our morning off by getting a COVID test so that we are able to leave the island when we're supposed to, because we have to test negative before we skedaddle, you know? So let's hope we all test negative, because if we test positive, then I guess we're stuck here. Oh no, because my mom is paranoid about us getting back. We are swiping our nostrils this morning with hydrogen peroxide just to make sure we pass. This is the view today. Another sunny day. I slept in today because I was exhausted, and I went to bed at like 11. It is 7:31. I'm ready to swab with peroxide. I'm ready.
Yeah, it doesn't burn. Does it feel like something wet? Nicer, huh?
There you go. It burned. It does. This place is packed, and there's only one person doing COVID testing.
And then also my mom.
Just did my test. Terrible. Terrible.
We're all waiting.
Yep. Someone's birthday. I'm laying on the sign. The Aruba sign.
Here, you want me to scan you?
Oh yeah, scan mother. You gotta point it down. There you go. Found a moss ball in the ocean. A sea moss ball. Pretty cool. We named the moss ball Peter. Pretty suiting name. Oh man, it's just so cold.
Your bodies are so hot. Why don't we name him women names?
We've named him Larry. I'm scared to pick him up though. I don't know if I want to do that. I touched it. It's bumpy. We renamed the starfish Gloria.
Yes. It's Gloria.
She's sitting pretty right now. So I walked all the way out to end where it curves. I think my hotel is somewhere right there, but yeah. And back we go. They're in the fountain. I'm back in the room and I showered and changed. And my stomach was bothering me, so I came up here. I took some Tums. And now I'm gonna chill. Watch some videos until they're ready and stuff. Yeah. Guys, I look so bad right now. I look like I've been smoking like so much pot, but really like my eyes are just burning so much from like the salt water. Like, they're bad, guys. They're really bad. We made a new friend. We've made 2 friends. The first friend was outside of Dunkin' Donuts, and they rode on the plane flight with us down. They sat next to me, and so we were having a conversation with them. And then we met some people in the ocean, and we just started talking to them, and they're pretty cool. They have kids that are graduating my age and stuff, and yeah, it's just, you know, you talk to people that are here and you just have a bunch of fun. And it's so crazy about like Aruba. Like, the thing is that like there's so many people who come from so many different places. Like, I've heard people speak like French and Spanish and like, you know, like I think maybe one was Russian, I don't know, but like they come from all over the place. And it's so cool because like you don't really get that much variation from anywhere else. So it's a cool thing about Aruba is that like people come from literally everywhere. So yeah, I need to go put chapstick on. My lips are kind of chapped. Also, this is really, anyway, okay. Guys, when your suitcase blows up and then it just like gets everywhere, and then like, you know, you're trying to get all your stuff together and reorganize it. Every trip it's just like that. You just go poof and it's just like blown up. I'm also FaceTiming Emma right now. Yeah. So I've come down specifically for watching the sunset. I'm repping the shirt today, so that's pretty cool. I'm trying to move out this way so this boat is in my shot. There it goes. These kids behind me are really... They're really good. Oh, there it goes. Nice. It's a cool shot. Love catching sunsets. Something about them. So awesome. Nothing I hate more when people walk in front of my shots. The scraps of dinner. Lobster shells.
Thank you. That's what it looks like.
That's what it started out as. And that's the result. I found the Hulk. The Hulk is my favorite Avenger, I think.
Yeah, I like him.
And we got the Iron Man.
I loved Iron Man.